Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Jennifer and today I have for you a Kendra Scott unboxing. And you may or may not know that Kendra Scott will give you 50% off of one item during your birthday month. I went into the Kendra Scott store in Dallas when I was there for spring break, which was earlier in March before we were quarantined basically. I got something at the store. So you have to show your driver's license and show them that it is your birthday month. You actually don't have to be signed up for their emails, which is very interesting. You just have to show your driver's license. But then I got an email a couple of weeks ago and it gave me a code because you can only get the 50% off if you go in store. You can't get it online. But because the stores were shut down, I guess they thought, well, the March birthday people, or probably the April too, they'll probably send April coupon codes too, can't come in and get anything for 50% off. So I found something else that I wanted. Let's go ahead and look at the first one. So the first one, I've kept it in the packaging, in the box. I haven't opened it. And let's see what I got, because I kind of have forgotten what it is. So it's in a nice pretty box. They gift wrapped it really pretty. Let's open it. Pretty, actually, oh, you don't even have to undo the bow. That's nice. It's actually, it has a elastic there, so you can just pull it off. How neat is that? I don't think I've ever seen another company do that. All right, the box is magnetic, and inside is a dust bag. So Kendra Scott dust bag. This is called the Presley Short necklace. I'm assuming that's all it says on the tag is Presley Short, and it's in gold. And here it is. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. So there are little knots in it. What I really liked about this, I don't remember how long it is. Again, if I can find the information, I'll put it down below for you. But what I really liked is this is an adjustable one, kind of like the bracelets that are adjustable, and you just pull it. You just pull it. So if you want to make it a really long necklace, you can do that. Or if you want to make it a shorter necklace, you can do that too. So I'm going to try it on for you guys and just kind of show you. So it doesn't really, I wouldn't really wear it with this, but it goes, that's probably 20 inch maybe. But you can adjust it. So you can adjust it like that, and you can adjust it, of course, even more than that. All right, now I've adjusted it. That's maybe what, 18? About an 18 inch maybe. So you can see there that I've just adjusted it. That's probably like a 16. Now, of course, it's hanging really low in the back, but you can tuck it in your shirt. I mean, you know, whatever. If you want a really short necklace, you can do that. So that's what I really, really loved about this, is that you could adjust it. Because I have some necklaces that are longer, and I might want to wear them on a certain day, but I don't feel like it really goes with that outfit, and I really sometimes wish that I could make it shorter or make it longer. So that's what I really, really liked about this necklace. So I will list it below for you. And the other thing I got for my birthday is here. So like I said, I got this online. They were having a sale. I don't think it was on sale because I couldn't use the 50% off, but I did have a code. And I think it was only good for one thing, so you couldn't get anything else. You can kind of hear it in there. So I went ahead and just took it out of the box, but it was wrapped really nicely. Let me just show you the box. That's what the box looked like, and it was in there with some stuffing, and then of course with the receipt. So it's just, you know, part of getting things online to me is the presentation. If something is just thrown in a box, it doesn't quite make you feel as good when you're getting it and when you're opening it. So I really like things like this, you know, companies that really do have attention to detail. That means a lot, and it makes a lot of difference to me. All right, so let's get into it. Bow off and open. Oh, so this one does not have a dust bag, which is interesting, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. So you open it, and it's just laying in there. It's just laying in there. It's placed in there. And here it is. This is so stinking pretty. Look at this. So this is the Airy, A-R-I, Heart Short. I don't know why both of those are short. I believe this is the abalone, I think. The abalone color. So let me take it out of here. I feel like this is, like, you could wear it front or back, like if you're right-handed or left-handed, because I'm not seeing a difference between the two sides, which is actually really cool, right? How pretty is that? I love that it's stationary, so you know the chain is attached here and it's attached here, so it doesn't move. And for me, that helps with the clasp staying in the back, so sitting in the back of your neck, so your clasp doesn't move its way down during the day, right? So I think that is just so pretty. And one of the reviews, a few of the reviews actually, stated that you can wear this color with pretty much anything, which is true because it has so many different colors in it. Let me turn off this bright light and see if you can see it a little bit better. Is that any better? So there we go. Isn't that so pretty? Oh my gosh, I love it. So here is the Presley necklace and the Airy necklace. So that's what I got from Kendra Scott for my birthday. If you are having a birthday coming up, let me know what you might plan to get. It's kind of overwhelming in a way when you go in the store because there are so many pretty things, you know, but I found this and I was like, yeah, that's the one I want. And then this one I was just like, it's simple. I like simple things usually as far as necklaces are concerned, and it was just the perfect one. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, I hope you're staying well. I hope you're staying safe. I hope to see you very soon. Have a great day. Bye.